going to draw a bowhead whale. This is not actually a step-by-step video, so be free to press harder as you follow along. Start by drawing a curve right here, and then go down from the top part of the mouth. Then add a curve. Then go up for the blowhole. Add a curve. Then go up right here. Then after that, add a curve for the other side of the mouth. Then add a curve. Then for the baleen, draw this part right here, then go right there. I have a fact for you guys. Did you know that the bowhead whale has the longest baleen in any baleen whale? And make some lines in order for it to look bushy in style. Because baleen whales use plates in order for them to catch krill, plankton, or zooplankton. This whale is also known as the mysticetus, order of baleen whales. And now after that, add a curve right here. Then go right here. Then add this curve right here from the back part of the body to the mouth. And then now for the eyes, add a curve right here. And then add another curve right there. Make some eyelids right here. Add a few details right here. Make this line going right here. Then add this dot, then go down. Then add this tiny circle as a guide for the highlight. Then shade in the whole eye, but don't overlap the highlight. Next, do this part right here as a design for the bowhead whale. It's okay if you made a mistake. You just gotta erase it and do it again. Then add a curve, then go down. You don't have to follow me drawing as many as those circles. You could design your own dots in the bowhead whale's chin if you want, or you can copy me. This will take a while, but you have to be patient. Now that's it for our final sketch. Now let's add some shading to give it more volume. Firstly, shade in right here for the mouth. And now after that, let's shade in right here, and then after that, let's shade in the whole part because bowhead whales are colored in black. This might take a while, but you have to be patient. And now let's continue doing up and downs for the bowhead whale skin. Did you know that bowhead whales could live up to 200 years old? That's very long than our lifespan, over 66 years. And now let's also shade in right here in the chin. And after that, we're going to draw some flippers, and we could also shade them. This might take a while again, but you have to stay patient. And now after that, let's draw the bowhead whale's fin right here. So first draw this large curve, then add another curve, and then shade right here. And now after that, add the other one right here, then add a curve, and shade it right here. And while doing that, it's fact time. Did you know that bowhead whales can live up to 200 years old? They can be found in Arctic and subarctic areas in the North Pole. And also, they're critically endangered due to hunting for their baleen. It's because people want whale baleen in order for them to make clothes like dresses, skirts, and more. And that's it for this 200-year-old whale. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of my animal videos. And I'll see you, and tune in next time for more animal videos, and I'll see you later in the next video.